How to get $100 DoorDash promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now type in DoorDash promo code and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. All these websites will provide you promo code for DoorDash. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm going to open this one, Time Magazine. Once you open it, you're going to find great deals and offers. You can just scroll and check. 25% coupon, 50% coupon, and many more. You can just scroll down and check. If you're interested in any of the offer, to use it, click on the option of Show Coupon. Make sure you check the expiration date of the coupon code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, you can copy it. Now you can head towards the website of DoorDash. Make your purchase, and while you check out, apply this code and get the discount. If you want to redeem this code right away, click on this option of View Discount at DoorDash. Now you can log into your account, make your order, and while you check out, you will find the section of promo code. Over there, paste the code, and with that, you will get certain amount as a discount. Also, you can try these offers. Likewise, you can also go through these websites, as these websites will also provide you working promo codes for DoorDash. Well, this is how you can get up to $100 DoorDash promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.